G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing, June 13, 2023. This is the NASDAQ price update. On the weekly and daily, you can see here we're in a bullish momentum, so taking only long trades using the hourly as a time frame. Looking at the weekly first, we've got the triple moving average of the price chart and the moving average of the CCI 150, both showing moving in a similar direction, giving us this bullish signal. So only long trades to be taken. On the daily, likewise, the last few days it's been bullish. Both those indicators are showing bullish momentum. What we did have was back here we did have a bearish or potential bearish divergence, and that obviously hasn't worked out. If I zoom that, you can see that's increasing, so it's not actually bearish anymore. Oops. So we're going to remove that. And if I zoom it, that's no longer playing out. So no harm done, because you wouldn't have entered it. So remember, to enter these, you want to make sure it breaks below this channel, and it hasn't done that. So no harm done in terms of setting it as a potential. So we're going to remove all those measurements and look for new opportunities for a potential reversal. Now, potential reversal opportunities, you can see here there is a slight divergence on the latest CCI, so we're going to draw those in at the moment, and also the price is looking at a bullish divergence from that point to that point as well. We've also got a going back here, we've got this minor resistance forming up here at 14,825 after this major resistance was broken. So we're looking at a potential another resistance forming up here if the price starts moving back. So let's just keep that in there for the moment. If the price starts moving back, then we're going to start putting in a new target area for a divergence, and that'll be if the price breaks below this lower channel, in which case we'll have to set up a new target area. We'll keep an eye on that and see how it goes on the daily. That's the daily chart. On the hourly, we did have here another divergence. Remember, these divergences on the hourly and the daily and the weekly are all independent. They're not related to each other. So you can see here we've got it did have here a bearish divergence on the CCI, but you'll notice we've got new highs on the CCI. And again, if we zoom into that, so if we move that from there to there, that's still a bearish divergence versus a bullish divergence on the price chart. So you can see there on that blue line, I'll adjust that later. So that's still in play. Now we're going to remove that target because it's no longer valid. Likewise, this Fibonacci is no longer valid. So for this to work, we need to see a new break below this channel. In fact, that channel, let me delete that because it needs to be redrawn. The new channel will be between that level and that high, and bring it down to that level. So if the price breaks below that channel, then we set a new Fibonacci target range, and I'll do that if we get to that level. So let's not draw too many colors on the chart to keep it pretty simple. As I said, if this CCI breaks into a more bullish momentum, then we're going to delete this and cancel the divergence because it's no longer valid. But at the moment, it's still in play because of this bearish divergence versus a bullish divergence on the price chart. So in summary, if we zoom out, you can see here we've got a bearish backtest versus a bullish backtest, and basically taking those long and short trades only when the weekly and the daily align. So at the moment, you can see there the weekly and the daily are in a bullish momentum, and you can see there closely taking only those long trades on the bullish scenario. You would have avoided taking these long trades on the bullish backtest, as you can see there, because the price was declining. And why would you avoid those? Because going back to August 22, if I zoom out to August 22, you can see there's very minimal bullish momentum, and you can see there no bullish momentum on the weekly. So again, only trade when the weekly and the daily are aligned like they are at the moment, bullish, taking only bullish trades. So to understand how to trade this and other trading strategies, reference the links in the description below. Subscribe to my Patreon page, where we also do weekly scans of stocks, currencies and commodities. Subscribe, like and share the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.